get to so Chale, it's no. Or your leader be order form. Interestingly, me na form sa ba me pe leaders on that form. Yeah. Me sana me tie. So hardly will you see me and say bia obi oye gidigidi me ne kosa. But I think say papa we I think that this is more there. You gave him his flowers. And I call me the first time I'm when I catch up then I made a video. A surprise will be I think say young Kofobu you've not really paid much attention to them as leaders. Or you are there. Na Ofrimu date and then say Saturday, Tuesday, not 24th year, but 24th year, I think Thursday. I can add 26th, right? Yeah. It's Thursday, you know, and I know exactly 13 years. I Prof Mills, if you remember, I will come in senior school 2013. Tonight I'm in final year. Yeah. Now final year, I'm able to one better. Hey, no matter my 2012, number 3rd year. Number 3rd year. Come here 2030. Number 3rd year. Come here me questions 4 years. Ono fa da roma. SS we go for exam Mills. They go a good leader. Adeba kwa amount a good leader na how he handle the economy. I think say currently open leader ba kwa by economy or stand out in the fourth Republican dispensation. Mills and Kofo. Omo ya there. In fact, akokwa nim say the longest inflation I recorded for 32 consecutive months from June 2010 to January 2013. Yeah, single digits as of June 2010, now inflation here 9.52%. You kuramusa me could January 2013, sorry, inflation here 8.8%. February 2013 they caught 10%. The longest single digit inflation I recorded under any president for 32 consecutive months. So 32 is just 2 years and 8 months. Yeah. For 24 months is 2 years. Single digit, no. If you chair pa and inflation no there be aso no chim say interest na yama bo atia from there be interest na yama bo still e kosoro there but at a slower rate into was single digit na the longest no and down no 32 months president Kufuor is recording almost 2 years of single digit or buy no the chart in so and this is the chart and then because analysis here na emotions when people emotions kwa me en fam ho the data na me dey adwuma to the emotions me en fam akokwa from 92, the only time I recorded single digit inflation, map now. This is the 10th column. This is the 20th column. So below, between 0 and 10, any other argument. This is the chart according to the Bank of Ghana. When you make a chart, we a Bank of Ghana now chart. Now, quarter 98 and 98 near Rollins. Any recorded single digit inflation kakra. So when you because as a abnormality, what's social here?
Then is almost about 5 and
yes, but for moments about just 5 years back. And 2001 Papa Kofo the first time on the recorded kakrebi and also by months around 9. If you wanna Papa Kofo, on the back record single digit view. But oya there, meaning that there from 99 or be fire no inflation almost about 40 something percent. Time Papa Kofo by 99. The inflation almost about what? 40 something percent. Right. But akokwa all corner, all free so no inflation about saying. Now about just about 11-12. Okay. One time I catch you say December 2028. Now inflation 18.13%. It will show Papa Kofo Kono 2008 December. So I go
2000. Ebra Obaye no.
Yes.
Between 1999 and then 2000.
Yes, now about 40 something percent. Yes. It will show between 2008 and 9. And also share. Yes, also about
19.
About 18%.
Okay.
To show why I do be fan 40 at about 18. Right. Now professors so be fan saying 18 no. As at the time I owe from 2012 no. Now inflation I'm saying then I'm just about 11%. Yeah. And this is the middle of 2012. What chart in the I'm saying 2012 for the enemy. I able do 10.0 send me chira no. It's the middle no. Oh yeah there pa and to show president Kufuor the first time na make I'm catch president Kufuor the first time yeah na man food the time I don't know where they pick their data from. Okay. How quite there. The longest single digit I catch this is the chart. Share from 2009 middle no. How they call you know. So it started from June 2010. Look at the chart. To show June at the middle of June buy you know. The next time I hear free single digit in 2012. 32 solid months. Yeah. President Kufuor there no. Between 2017 June July one to about 2019 August. Yeah.
So from 2018,
almost 2 years of single digit.
2019 was better.
Yes, which President Mahama couldn't achieve. Between 2013 and 2016, we never achieved single digit inflation. In fact, President Mahama inflation, that's no inflation, which is 16, now around 15.6%. Check. December 2016.
And I want you to look at 2012.
Yes.
Who say Prof Mills echo in the middle of that year.
Yes.
All corona still around the single digit.
Yes.
So said
10 point something.
Yeah, almost around the single digit.
But 2013 inflation I could do by 12. 2014 I could do by 15. 2015 I could do by 15. 2016 the same. It's about inflation here. President Mama Boni the first step now. No wasa.
Name ko ye.
Odo compare 3 year.
First
on the roll is on no masa. What I say baby obe fa no. Prof Mills say kono. Me say or the inflation e call. This is it. February 2013 no ni ho. January 2013 no ni ho. Oh July 2012. And wo ni nyina no na Ghana was single digit inflation.
Sure.
But when President Mahama was leaving, he left it at 15.6 if my memory serves right, December 2016. So President Akufo-Addo inflation is better wire post 2019 kenke party no. This is the chart. This is why Mills for me is good. Because inflation about for me, and my catcher will say, me say ISIS article no be anko kind be. Almost say the best time a Ghana economy ni jina ye. Institute of Social and Statistical Economic Research and University of Ghana. You can just Google it and search. And 2006, 2007, 2008, and 2011. Omo article no on 2016.
Right.
The President Mahama first time no. Net yet. That's why the me say Mahama first 2 years. It's data.
Yeah. And
because of the fine inflation 23%.
Or the about 30.
Or the about 30. Deloitte is predicting a single digit inflation. And in the budget, no, at a force member budget, no, so 11.9. And they can do the single digit inflation. It's not because we presume Mama. It's data. But first year, Mama first time, inflation any year.
Even with years.
Exactly.
But this one with very fancy 6 months.
Exactly.
Drastic.
It's only data, but you see, sometimes as politicians, they let their emotions lead them other than the data. This is the President Mahama's first term. Inflation on this is the data. Now, the reason why I'm on for Mills about it's also data. You can GDP tracing. You check simply and say, oh, instead from 2,000. What you say? 5,000 send the base go be check from 2,000 cedis. And I would declare the car would 800 cedis.
Right.
The Aqua non your friend or debt to GDP no 80%. What you say? Near TN say, or revenue no say 10 cedis and 1,000 cedis. Would the 80 and 800 cedis in Kotuaka into debt obligation and finance for numbers on billion some say debt to GDP. Your total revenue divided by your total debt. No, madana no. Your total debt divided by your total revenue. It is a word. You know the 800 cedis. 800 cedis divided by 1,000 cedis say 80%. So your debt to GDP is 80%. I got what here. You share GDP. Chapapa kofo. Time a Ghanaian businesses mass flow could be few men here. Or share the growth of the economy now. The growth of our economy under Papa Kofo. The highest he recorded was Oko 2009%. He grew the economy by 9%. Now look at the data.
Yeah.
In 2011, where with oil, right? Column where with oil because 2009 he started oil production.
Yeah.
Where non-oil, I
yeah.
2011 with oil, Mills grew the economy by 13.95%.
Wow.
Without oil, and this is according to the Bank of Ghana. 2011 non-oil, this is 2011, grew the economy by 9.28%. Nobody comes close to Mills. This is data. Non-oil.
Wow.
Uyi Mills are obi a grew economy ne prime Papa Kofo. Now let's look at President Mahama first term. 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. The highest he grew the economy was in 2013, 7.24%. This data doesn't give you 23, 24, but I remember even 2024 grew the economy by 6.something%, if my memory serves me right. And President Mahama's best was 7.24%. President Akufo-Addo's best was 2017, 8.13%. So President Mahama can't economy first time it's data. not your emotions.
Yeah.
Because they do one anytime no na oil yeah, they do no be as atin ya oil. What I say?
Yeah.
This is why Prof Mills is a stellar leader in my view. About time today, this will be my first presentation.
Right.
My second presentation